I can't believe it. My elf brought me another Poopsie Cutie Tootie surprise. I am so excited. Okay. I wonder what type of slime we're gonna have. But before we open this up, let's guess which one we're going to get. There's Ash and there's Rain. Ooh, I really want it to be, I think it's gonna either be Rain or, okay, here's the back. It's either, I'm hoping it's either going to be Rain, Prism, Sunshine, or Twiggy. I have a feeling this might be it. Okay. Comment down below which one you think it will be. Okay. Let's get started. Okay. Ooh, okay. Let's open this up together. Oh, okay. It's definitely not water slime. Okay. Is this putty slime? Marshmallows? Maybe it's marshmallow slime. Comment down below what kind of slime this is. Ooh, it's so sparkly and beautiful. Okay. Let's poop them out for the Tootie Poopsie surprise. Okay, so before we open this up, oh, meeples! Oh boy, silly elves. Okay, let's see. Is this marshmallow slime? I think it's marshmallow slime. Okay, well, let's see. Here is this. Let's open her up. Ooh, it's blue and glittery. Wow, he's so beautiful. And look at those stunning eyelashes and purple eyes. Wow, so beautiful. But why is he crying? Maybe because he's so happy, because he's so cute. Okay, let's take a look and see which one this guy is. It's Drip! Wow! And Drip is a rare one. Wow, we got a rare one. That's so exciting. Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.